Coming up in this video, I've got an awesome, absolutely awesome Apricot Sour. Welcome back, Drinkstuff fans. I get proper excited when I have a really tasty cocktail. Because I was doing a little screen grab thumbnail, I've just had a little cheeky taste of this. Normally, because I'm making my videos back to front, I normally don't do the taste until kind of like in the second. Oh my God, this tastes absolutely divine. Apricot Sour. I've obviously used Monin's apricot syrup, which of course you can buy from Drinkstuff. Of course you can. This, oh my God, this is absolutely delicious. It is whiskey based. I'll let you into that little secret. A couple of little different ingredients in there. Not quite as clear cut as what you might think from a sort of whiskey apricot sour. Oh, this is just absolutely delightful. I could drink a lot of these. Right, so let's dive in with the ingredients. Obviously, I've got some of Monin's apricot syrup here. Now, I've got a sneaky suspicion I've made this cocktail on my channel, and I can't for the life of me, it's just come flashing back ages and ages ago. I can't remember whether I've used Southern Comfort or whether I've just had a last minute swap to Jack Daniel's honey as well from normal Jack Daniel's. I can't remember whether I did it with that or whether I did it with Tennessee Fire. Jack Daniel's, so there's all kinds of inspiration you could go there. But the whole point of that story is I wouldn't have used apricot syrup. I actually used apricot jam in that. I can remember using the apricot jam. So God knows when, but it's such a tasty cocktail. So something, Funkin Drinkstuff sell Funkin's Apricot Puree as well. Obviously sell this, so go and check out that. I'll stick links in the show notes. Just said the whiskey for there. I've got honey whiskey. This, it's going to taste amazing. I've got some Amaretto, obviously. That's kind of like the go-to brand in that, but I'm kind of just trialing this out from Toschi at the moment, and it is a lovely Amaretto liqueur, really is good. Some lemon juice. I've got some aromatic bitters, like Angostura bitters there. It's a sour, so we're not using egg whites on this channel. Haven't used egg whites for ages, so I've got ODK's Stillabunt Magical Foamers. Again, like in the last video I did, the glass we're going to be serving this up in. I love these glasses. These are Stroll. Drinkstuff have sold these for ages, but they're indestructible. I can stand on that. Literally, the last time I did a video, I said all 16 stone of me, I've lost a load of weight. All 14 and a bit stone of me now could stand on those. They are indestructible. You cannot do anything with them, and they're perfect. They're guaranteed for loads and loads and loads of washes, like guaranteed to stay perfectly crystal clear. Absolutely love them. So I'm going to do this properly. I'm going to chill this down. Look, I've got a little bit of crushed ice left over, so I'm just going to set that to one side. That'll be nicely chilling. Let's crack on and make this cocktail. So, first ingredients. It's up to you where you go. I'm going to go a 45ml for this, 1.5 ounces. You could go 50ml double bubble in the UK. You could go 60ml double bubble in the US. But I'm going to go 45, 1.5ml. It's kind of my universal language now for these like ounces now. I got quite used to them. They work quite well for me actually. The Amaretto, there we go. Have a little close up of that. This is really, really nice. But as I say, a decent Amaretto will do the job here. And Disaronno is actually made from the apricot, what are they called? The nuts in the middle. That's what Amaretto is sort of made from. Going for half an ounce, 15ml of that. There we go. Right, next ingredient, we've got some. Oh, is my OCD going to kick in? That'll be right. There we go. Some lemon juice. I'm going for 30ml, 1 ounce of this, of lemon juice. Either buy this long life shelf stable once open, 30 days once open from Drinkstuff, or fresh lemon juice, whatever you fancy. We have got some. I keep doing this. I keep forgetting because I put it over that side. I've not even opened this yet. Oh, I thought I'd open this. Oh, it's good. Oh, it's good. Oh, it's really, really good. 15ml. And just a disclaimer, because I do get a little bit of the odd ego tender coming my way on my channel. This is my home studio. This is not a public bar. No one else is going to touch this. So that's why I lick my spoons and drink out of bottles and do all that kind of stuff. All right, so don't come and hate me. There we go. Angostura bitters. Really commit to the dash on these. I'm going for 3 dashes, okay? So 1, 2, 3. There we go. And then the final ingredient is these ODK. They're Stillabunt Magical Foamers. Replace your egg white. You could use egg white, of course you could. I'm just going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 little drops. That's all. It won't change the taste of your cocktail in the slightest. Right, I'm going to do a dry shake. Put that on, so hard and fast dry shake, 5, 6, 7 seconds, whatever you fancy. Takes it from, well, I missed it now, didn't it? There you go, takes it to that, look, how's that? Nice and frothy, we like that. Right, now we need to chill this bad boy down, so plenty of ice, and then we're gonna do a proper hard fast shake, 10 to 12 seconds. Why did I do that? Here we go, back to front, no, back to front. Right. Oh, it's good. Oh, it's good. Right, get rid of this ice. That's nicely chilled down. And then I'm gonna double strain. You could serve this up over ice, of course you could in a rocks glass. I just wanted to demonstrate this kind of nice martini glass. Look at that. Nice, frothy consistency. Perfect, perfectly mimics your egg whites. See, you don't need to use it, you can be vegan friendly. Right, and then just to garnish, I've got some of these, which again, obviously you can get for Drinkstuff. I've just got some dehydrated lemon. There we go. Popping up on screen right there will be even more Monin videos and playlists for you to dive into, so go and check them out. As always, if you like me, if you like the recipe, give us a big old thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss any of our future content, make sure you subscribe to the channel.